Your XAM 2500 is a reliable tool for gas detection, but regular maintenance is key to ensuring it performs at its best. Here's a quick guide to help you keep your device in top condition. Start with basic cleaning. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe away any dirt, dust, or residue from the casing. Inspect the device for visible damage, like cracks in the housing or worn buttons. Over time, some parts may need replacement to keep your device operational. First, check the battery pack. If the device isn't holding a charge, replace the battery with a genuine spare for reliable power. Next, inspect the sensor cushions and gaskets. These ensure your sensors remain stable and sealed against contaminants. Replace them if they show signs of wear. Small components like screws and clips are also replaceable to keep your device secure and portable. Regular calibration is essential for accurate gas detection. Watch our video guide on manually calibrating XAM 2500. At Frontline Safety, we're an authorized service center with over 10 years of experience. Our trained experts can handle servicing, repairs, and supply genuine spare parts to keep your XAM 2500 in peak condition. Maintain your XAM 2500 with confidence. For spare parts, servicing, or expert advice, contact Frontline Safety today.